Assalamu alaikum students. Last time we have learned about the plastics, large number of molecules. Means last time we have learned the plastics, bakelite, varnishes, polishes. Now we will discuss about the inks. What are the inks? The deeply colored liquid of various compositions used for writing and printing purposes. They contain protective available gum to make the more durable. Types of inks: black ink. Black ink, the mixture of an infusion of gallnuts with ferrous sulfate and small quantity of HCl. Blue ink. It can be prepared by dissolving Prussian blue in dilute solution of oxalic acid. Then, number three, marking ink. It is consists of silver nitrate solution colored with gum or consists of dyes. Printing inks. Linseed oil is used together, resin oil, and various pigments. Red ink. It is prepared by wood, Brazil, or by dissolving carmina in aqueous ammonium hydroxide. Typewriting ink dyes with glycerol. Blue black ink. It is composed of tannic acid, gallic acid, ferrous sulfate, HCl, gum arabic, carbolic acid, phenol blue, and water. Royal blue ink composed of methyl violet, ethylene, glycerol, acetate, acetone, phenol, and carboxyl methyl cellulose. Stampede ink. It is prepared with anti-lindine tug, glycerine, soya bean oil, water, and alcohol. These are the inks. Now the preparation of blue black ink. How to prepare the blue black ink? It is very simple process. Preparation of blue black ink. Now tannic acid 75 grams and gallic acid 30 grams are dissolved in 150 centimeter cube of warm water, means hot water. 100 gram of ferrous sulfate and gum arabic 60 grams are dissolved in 600 centimeter cube of distilled water. Another container. Now mix both along with 75 grams of dilute HCl 50 grams, phenol blue 50 grams, and water about to produce 3 dm cube in 3 liter. Keep for a night and filtered. Now the ink is prepared. Then preparation of royal blue ink. Carbomethyl cellulose is dissolved in less quantity of distilled water. Another container ink blue 15 grams, methyl violet 5 grams in 200 centimeter cube warm distilled water. Now mix both along with ethyl alcohol 20 centimeter cube, acetone 10 centimeter cube, phenol 1 gram are added. Keep for 10 days and filtered. Now it is ready for use. Now the last topic of this chapter is food preservation. Means how to keep food for a long time. The method for storing or supplying food to the farther areas, so it is necessary to prevent food from being destroyed or spoilage, means being spoiled. Causes of food spoilage. Why food is spoiled? Because of some reasons. Number one reason, the moisture. Moisture, agriculture products like corn and soya bean when exposed to higher humidity permits the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and molds. Then number 2, microbial activities spoiled by microbial attacks. These are the two reasons. Number third, chemical changes. Number third reason is chemical changes. Chemical changes like enzymes are responsible for chemical changes. Fats and oils are rinsed and browning of fruits and vegetables. These are the chemical changes. These are the reasons that is why food spoils. Food preservation method, how to keep food for a long time. The reasons and food preservation methods are given below. Number one, removal of moisture. First, we have to remove the moisture. Food is dried by remount of water and drying process. It controls the growth of microorganisms, pests, milk, coffee, tea, some vegetable, fruits, meat, and eggs. Number three, number second method, addition of salt and water. Sugar and salt bind water called water binding against humidants. It is most common method which is used in the homes. Our mothers, what they done, they mix salt on the surface of fish to prevent a long time to keep for long times. Now the third method is temperature control. Refrigerations and freezing of food kills the growth of destructive organisms. Number 4 method, preservation by storage. Food can be stored for long time. There are three methods for store food safely: canning, aeration, preservation by chemical addition. These are further discussed in the next page. Canning. Canning, the preservation of food by sealing into airtight container is called canning. Container is made up of plastic lined aluminum or special strength glass. Canning means the boxes in which we store the food. Number 2, aeration. Irradiation, the process passing radiations through any substance called irradiations, meat, potatoes, onions, most of the products. The preservation by chemical addition. These chemicals which are used to store food, which prevents food from spoilage, salts of calcium, potassium, magnesium, and sodium to prevent from microorganisms growth. Just like dry fruits, jam, jellies are preserved by adding sulfur dioxide or salt of sulfurous acid. That's all about this chapter. Take care, students. Khuda Hafiz.